Alright guys, so my HPS charge pipe came in and I'll be putting in today. So now we gotta undo everything. So take out the strut bar, and then we're gonna take this off right here, turbo muffler, and we will try to get this stock charge pipe out of here, put in the new one. Alright, shit, finally got it out. I knew it was going to be really hard to get it out. So, if you watch the time lapse, I used a 12mm wrench to get this bolt out. And then on this side, there's like a bunch of O2 sensors that's in the way, so you have to disconnect that O2 sensor right there. There is a 10mm bolt that bolts to the pipe that you need to remove, and then you need to remove this hose because it's just easier to remove that hose than to remove this one back here, which is way harder to remove. So whenever we install it to the new one, we'll connect the hose to the new pipe, and then connect this end back to that top piece. So this is where the 12mm was. You just gotta feel it in the back. This bolts to the engine, so take that out. This 10mm bolts that O2 sensor bracket to, I think it bolts right there. So the 10mm bolts right there. So finally got this thing out. I used WD-40 and my Harbor Freight picks, so I use these picks to get on the inside, and then I spray it in there, lube it up, and then pull it out. Alright, so connected the hose to here. I put some WD-40 to make it slide in easier. It'll help out on installing, and it'll rotate a little bit. So there's these plugs that it has two of them, one right there And there's one right here. It's for NOS injection, I think. I'm not gonna be doing that, so I'm gonna be plugging it in with the plugs they gave me, and I'm going to just put some Teflon on it so it's sealed. So a good way to remember on which direction to do it, to put the Teflon, you hold the side that's gonna be screwed in, which is this side, right? So this goes in, you hold it towards you, and then you wrap it clockwise. So you go around that way. There is a right and wrong way to wrap Teflon. So if you do it the wrong way, whenever you screw it in, it will unravel. If you do it the right way, so you do it clockwise in the direction I told you to, whenever you screw it in, it will tighten the Teflon as it screws in instead of unraveling. So I finally got it in, shoved it in, and now we connect the turbo muffler onto here and we should be good to go. Give you this little metal piece, this little adapter. If you're wondering what that is, it's to hold this bracket. So you take the bracket off of the old one. So the old bracket was on here. You take that 10mm bolt out, and then you use it to secure to this adapter that they have to connect it there. That way you can hold up this hose, and then you can hold up this O2 sensor wire up so it doesn't touch the heat shield, because this is where all the heat is. This is the hottest part right here, so it helps keep it away. Down there at the very bottom, can't really see, is another O2 sensor. I just have it dangling, but the adapter on it is kind of holding. It's not gonna go anywhere. Alright, so I took out the old TTI coupler to replace it with the HPS coupler that they gave me, because it's a reducer, so this side small goes to big. Also, do not put grease in the fitting whenever you push it in. You will risk it blowing apart whenever you're driving, so you don't want that. You want it to stay together tight as possible. You actually don't need any lube at all whenever you're putting this. So first steps is you put the coupler onto the charge pipe, and then with this pipe connected to this pipe, you screw it in, you fit it in, and then you'll be able to like force it in. So this pipe will go into the coupler like a teepee, and it will go in. So this is the old charge pipe. So it's a smaller in diameter. Let's see how big it is. So it's 2 inches, and I think the new one is 3 inches. The new one is about 3 inches, so it's a whole inch wider in diameter. And then it fits good with the turbo muffler delete, because now it's all continuous, smooth pipe all the way through. So no restrictions and better airflow, and it's not bottlenecked. So before it's bottlenecked, you go from big pipe to small pipe. Now it's just smooth and continuous. So it should be better. Now all the performance mods are complete. Had no issues. It was just really hard to reach down back at the very back. But so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I can help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I got some really cool videos coming up. This next video is gonna be really cool, so stay tuned. Really appreciate it. Peace out.